What's going on, guys? Zeno here, and today I am going to be showing off a commission beyblade that I made for my friend. And for one, I am so sorry if I mess up the name. I am bad with beyblade names at first until I actually hear someone else say it. So, yeah. So this is the commission bay. It is trio Caelum. It was either trio or triple, I forgot. Sorry, but I think it was trio. Trio Caelum. It is a defense or stand. I'm sorry, I forgot most of it, but I have it in right spin right now because I lost Draken's left core and I didn't print out the cord for this, so I'm just using Draken's right core. I hope you're okay with that because this Beyblade is supposed to be left spin. So my personal combo I have on it is Zero, Glaive, Sing. Sing is not my driver. If I can, there we go. Sing is not my driver. It is made by my friend. I said that in the last video, so if you want to go check that out, you can. But for those who do want a commission, I don't know if you can see, but I don't know if you can see that well, but as you can see, my 3D printer kind of messes up on the teeth because of the supports getting printed in it with it, so it doesn't work as well as I want it to. But yeah, here it is. And I'll be doing some battles with it to show off how strong it is. I got some bays right here. So first up, I have Slash Valkyrie stock combo. I have Grand Diabolos. Grand Diabolos 6 under, and please put in the comments what's the name of this driver. It's a slingshot driver. I don't know I forgot the name that, or I never knew it, but yeah, please tell me in the comments. I have Silver X 12 survive, and I got a left spin Hell Salamander 10 cross destroy. So yeah, I'm gonna put it all up against all these bays, and we'll see at the end how strong it is. So here we go. All right, so first up, Grand Diavolos will be going against it. So here's, oh wait, I forgot. Blast Genesis 7 defend. But here's a test spin. I would do more painting, but it will just chip at the end and just come all off, so I don't really bother painting them. But here we go. Round 1. And KO'd himself. Alright. Let's try that again. And I'm just going to do 2 points per battle, so I'm going to try one more time, and if it bursts itself again, then I am going to skip this one. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Finally in. And that's 2 points for Caelum. He has 1. Next round. Alright, next up, Blast Genesis. The damp is very good with defense. Got halfway. Just one slide, but that's 2 points. On to the next round. Next up, Silver X. Silver X and it burst. Caelum has won. Next round. Alright, next up, Slash Valkyrie. Bat launch. Okay, go shoot. Caelum's in. Take his defense and spin out. Point to Caelum. Only took one click. Valkyrie took one. Okay. Next round. Go. Valkyrie is circling around. Caelum's taking center. And there's the contact. Ooh, and a burst finish. Valkyrie has taken that point. And Caelum has bursted. So I guess against some it's okay, but Valkyrie really put the power into that. Please don't dislike my video. Alright, final round. Alright, final round. We got a less spin, we got Hell Salamander, so let's go. Sorry, I had to use a ripcord still, trying to get a new launcher so I can do left. Here we go. And a knockout. Caelum has taken that point. Alright. Round 2. Here we go. Round 2. Hell Salamander is in his beyblade mode. Caelum is staying in. Uh-oh, it looks like he's going off balance. And Hell Salamander has taken out with the LAD. Alright, so final round. It is 1-1. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Caelum is staying in. Looks like he's not gonna go off balance. It's not gonna go off balance this time. Uh-oh. I'm sorry about that. My camera stopped recording. But alright. Here's the final battle. We'll do it again since it stopped recording. Go shoot. Caelum's doing some nice damage. I can't really tell, but and Hell Salamander has taken it with the LAD. So the only two that was able to beat Caelum was Slash Valkyrie and Hell Salamander. The rest got demolished. Alright, I'll end it here. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe if you did. I deleted my Minos since no one was really in it. So if you want to join my Discord, I'll put a link in the description for that. what else? Oh. The owner of Caelum is going to be my friend Sora, who I made it for. This is your creation. You created this. It might do way better with your combo and stuff, but yeah, it is a very good Beyblade, and I'm sure it will help you in the long run. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Like and subscribe if you... I already said that. And this is Zeno signing out. Have a fantastic day.